I've had some really amazing undergraduates through this program who have participated in research in my lab. This program provides a really incredible way for students to come in, to get involved right away in research, to join this research environment in the summer.
SISRM has been really just amazing. I've loved it so much. From the workshops that we've done, we've had a ton of guest speakers and I've learned so much, especially the excursions. We've had field trips that I've gotten to explore and learn the history of Hyde Park. And yeah, I met a lot of friends along the way.
Having the students around is phenomenal. We really appreciate all of their efforts this summer and all of the ways in which they bring their creative ideas to our lab.
I was blessed with the opportunity to be involved with actual research. So now I've gotten hands-on experience while also learning the ethics. Learning about the ethics and actively using them helps me retain it a lot better than just maybe if I had just done the class by itself. So I have really appreciated this experience.
Research often involves a team, and one of my favorite things as a mentor is seeing these collaborations that can emerge across students. I think that it's really amazing to see students who, start with an idea or an interest as a more junior student, and then to really see that grow and flourish as they get older. I think you get this on-the-ground training and the actual conducting of research that really brings it alive, brings the science alive and the inquiry and why we ask the questions that we do.
They really learn this more critical thinking aspect in their time with our labs that we hope that they carry on with them, not just in their SISRM coursework, but the rest of their academic career.